Alright, so this is the site of Signature Global 79B. As you can see that the construction is going on, and this part of the construction is of commercial. So this is where the commercial is getting built, and it is all at full swing right now. Over there you will see all the residential units, and on the front side it is the A block, and we probably have to take the permission from the guards, and then we can go inside the site area. We can probably show you the sample apartment today. It must be open, but let's go inside and see. Okay, we have to take the helmets from the security guards first, then only we can go inside. Let me just go and get it. It is for our safety, our security. We have to put our guards up. So I am taking 2 from here. So these are the security norms that has to be followed. Yes, Hanji. Mukesh, can you do that? So I'll quickly show you the entire construction of Signature Global 79B. I'll go inside the sample floor and I'll see what is the progress out there. 6697. It is pretty hot out here, but then I had to come here. And obviously this is basis my research, and this is basis my due diligence that I have done for their sector 79B. Though there has been a lot of marketing that has happened for Antalya Hills, that is also pretty decent development, but then obviously between the two of them I found Signature Global 79B to be the better one. So the construction partner they have is ANS Construction Private Limited. It has all the compliance, it stands out from the compliance perspective as well. It has all the safety norms, procedures mentioned over here. Over here I can see that the amenities will be built. You will see the swimming pool and the garden area, the green area over here. So we have a security guard accompanying with us for all the security reasons. And then this is A block. In front of me is A47. I can see the construction is being built till roof. Over here, you will see a 9-meter road in between these plots, and then there is a setback area of 4 meter or 5 meter between behind. So we are going towards the sample apartment. I guess these raw material, this is for the glass railings that will be installed, what I can think of. This is lift, these are the staircase. It's a nice spacious staircase that they have, that they have provided. Okay, so this is the sample apartment. This is the study room. This is the balcony area. Pretty decent, spacious. The paints that is happening is Asian paints that they are applying. This is A33, not the corner plot, but then A33 first floor, that is something that they have decided to keep as a show apartment, as a sample apartment for now. This is 3 BHK plus study. So this is the first room. It has AC. It's a compact room, I would say, not very spacious but not very small as well. This is the one washroom, attached washroom. This is again the balcony area, which is accessible from the common area as well. Okay, it's a nice door handles and everything. Now this is a washroom that we just saw from the bedroom. This can be used as a common washroom as well. And then we have a good ceiling height is somewhere around 11 to 12 feet, I guess, what I can think of. Now this is a bigger bedroom, and then again we have an attached washroom inside it. I guess the ACs are yet to be okay. I can see the AC here. So this is the front balcony. So a decent size again, I guess 3 feet width, and from this balcony, so you will be able to see the green area, the swimming pool, all the amenities.